Please like and share all of our videos.
Hi, my name's Kerry Eilers. I'm from Spring Valley, Illinois. This is my 1966 Pontiac Grand Prix 421 tri-power car. I've owned the car for 33 years. I restored it about 7 years ago, and it took me about 7 years to restore it.
Now, what did you have to do to restore it?
I took it apart completely. I did not, it was completely apart. You can't take it apart any more than I did. Dash out, windows out, body off frame, everything, complete nut and bolt.
Beautiful car, and you don't see these cars around anymore.
It's kind of a tough car to restore, because when you want to, if you don't have something, when you call the parts store for it, they don't.
Say sorry.
Yeah.
And I like the lines right here. Look at all that detail there.
Yeah. She's a big old girl. She's got a lot of lines on her.
Wow. And how much does the car weigh?
About 3,800 pounds.
Wow, not bad for that size.
Yeah.
You know. And then original are these?
Yeah, 8-lug Pontiac rally wheels.
Look at that.
Kind of a unique thing to Pontiac and Buick, actually.
Right. And then was the original color?
Yes. The only thing originally, it had a white painted top on it, and it had a piece of stainless steel that came right here to divide the white and the red.
Right.
I decided when I restored it, I didn't like the white top, so I painted the whole thing red and took that piece of stainless steel off. It was originally a Texas car.
Oh, okay.
So I assume that's why the white painted top.
Sure. And look at that detail on that chrome underneath.
Yeah, that's a tough deal. This is a 66 only thing here. The 65s just had a small stainless steel piece down here. This is pot aluminum, and it's very, kind of unique to this car.
Wow. Can we take a peek at the inside?
Sure.
This car is so great too. I mean, it's like.
Thank you. That's thanks to my good friend Al Shelley, Shelley's Body Shop in Peru, Illinois.
There you go.
He does a very good job of keeping them straight.
Nice roomy car too.
Yes. Very, very fun to drive. Goes down the road. You put one finger on the steering wheel and go 70 mile an hour down the road. It's very, very, very nice.
And then you put this in here,
The tack, that's a factory tack.
Oh, is it really?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
And then have you won any car shows?
I've done very well at car shows. Yeah, I've got a lot of nice awards with it.
And it's clean, and it's like the windows are just superb. It's like.
Yeah, this is a 66 only back glass. It's got kind of a
little bit
slope to it. Wow. So very nerve-wracking when you take that out. And these taillights are a 66 only thing also. The taillights are only actually right here and right here, but it looks like they go all the way across.
That is nice. So when the blinkers are on, does it blink red or does it blink orange?
Blinks red.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we take a look at the engine?
Sure can, you bet.
Okay, so what are we looking at here?
This is a 421 tri-power car, air conditioning. The 66 had the bigger carburetors on them.
Okay.
And it just a lot of fun to drive.
I bet. Do you know how much horsepower this generates?
376.
Okay. And was this air conditioning
factory?
Factory? And did it come with the car originally?
Yes, yeah, factory air. Nice. Yep, air.
That is nice. That is nice. So you're planning on winning an award today?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of the show.
US Classic Muscle Cars would like to know what kind of cars you would like to see. Comment below, let us know. Thanks for watching.